Hello, good morning, welcome to our final celebration of assembly of lockdown. Hopefully next week we're all going to be back in school and we'll be able to do this in person with everybody taking part in their classrooms, which will be really good. So let's start off this week with Mrs. Allen's class. And in Mrs. Allen's class, Edie Ketteringham, you have worked really hard with all your online learning over the whole of the lockdown period, says Mrs. Allen. She's really impressed with you, so congratulations, Edie. Also, somebody who's tried really hard with her phonics and her handwriting in particular is Miley McNichol. So well done, Miley.
Right, so Mrs. Hugel's class, first award goes to Leighton Morris for pushing yourself and persevering for your maths task, plus responding to challenges during phonics. That's fantastic, well done. And the other award goes to Edward West for getting outside on World Book Day to create a super transient art picture of a spider in its web using natural materials. We had some lovely artwork, didn't we, for World Book Day?
It's been really good.
So well done to you two.
In Mrs. Crocker's class and Mrs. Weeks' class, Edward Dale, congratulations. It says here, excellence and commitment in every aspect of your online learning. And also, somebody who has been taking her learning very seriously and thinking of ways to be individual and imaginative in what she does. This award goes to Jessica Dale, so well done, Jessica.
Miss Hillary's class now. We've got Freya Miller for working hard all week and being extremely helpful in the classroom and around school. Well done, Freya. Another award goes to somebody for being amazing during all of our class chats, having lots to say, share and show your friends, and helping Miss Hillary keep the conversations going. So good job, Hetty Baines.
Well done to you. I'm holding on to the teddy bear because it's being awarded this week by our cleaners to the next class. So congratulations to Miss Lewis's class. You've kept everywhere clean and tidy. And in Miss Lewis's class, Kaysen Stoke. Well done, Kaysen. You've got an award this week for being such a polite, helpful and lovely person to have in the class, says Miss Lewis. So well done to you. And then the other award, again, somebody who's worked really hard through the whole lockdown period, putting in fantastic effort with all of her work. Well done to Anna Irwin.
Super, okay, so Miss Payne's class, we have got Charlotte Norman. Charlotte is an avid reader who always has in her head a good book. She will read every single day and can talk at length about what she's currently reading. Other award goes to somebody for making a fantastic model to show the different parts of a plant. Miss Berry was very impressed. Harvey Carr.
Okay, congratulations to you two. And Mrs. Bradham's class and Mrs. Everett's class are up next. And for that class, Jack Raw, it says here, has always tried his best and impressed us with his fabulous work. So congratulations, Jack. Also, somebody else working hard and always being cheerful. Congratulations to Lola Corner. So well done, you two.
So, my class, Mrs. Howe's class this week, we have got an award for Logan Davidson, trying so hard throughout lockdown with his learning and showing fantastic progress. Well done, Logan. For somebody for showing such improvement during home learning, we've been so impressed by his efforts, put such a good effort all the way through, and that is Oliver Baines.
Okay, up next is Mrs. Seal's class, and her awards this week go to somebody who has been handing in lots of work online and has impressed Mrs. Seal, so congratulations to Charlotte Jackson Bowers. The other person Mrs. Seal's given an award to this week, somebody who is just always so cheerful, always helpful, and that's Libby Pratt. So well done, Libby.
Finally then, so Mrs. Clark's class, we have got for producing a fabulous information text about climate change and fabulous contributions in class discussion. Sounds very fabulous. Well done, Liam. Okay, and for producing a really informative text about climate change as well and putting 100% into all areas of learning, well done, Cole students.
Okay, once again we've managed it where the teachers have given out awards to siblings without talking to each other, so the Stook household are going to be really pleased this week. Yep, it's been really one of those weeks again, so well done to everybody for their awards this week. We know that everybody is maybe a little bit nervous about coming back to school if you've not been in school for a while, but looking forward to seeing all their friends. And again, you'll know that yesterday we had World Book Day, which was lovely to see all the things that were being done. And Mrs. Mayhew organised a slightly different little activity with Mrs. Clark, so I'll let her tell you more about it.
I think it was quite difficult, but we are going to announce the answers very shortly. Hopefully you enjoyed it and you're able to get your teacher at least, and the teachers that work with you. It was absolutely fantastic to see all the amazing work on our book leaf. I've really been impressed with the effort, and I think everybody's learned a little bit more as well about climate change and the importance of keeping our environment very healthy and safe. So well done everybody with all your efforts yesterday and this week, and indeed all of the way through.
It's the show that keeps you guessing.
The Masked Reader!
Each week, your favourite celebrities
This is the tune!
perform in disguise
I know the voice!
as you and our panel try to solve the mystery of
I know who this is!
who
Who is that?
is behind
That's Mel B. I'll eat your handkerchief.
the mask.
penguin in the snow. I slide on my tummy to and fro.
Wind told the grass, and the grass told the trees. The trees told the bushes, and the bushes told the bees.
Tricks with bricks and chicks. And here's a new trick, Mr. Knox. Socks on chicks and chicks on fox.
This one I have just begun. When I was 2, I was nearly new. When I was 3, I was hardly me.
Drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the bounteous land.
When the fields are white, I sing this song for your delight. In spring, when woods are getting green, I'll try and tell you what I mean.
Ning Nao Nong, where the cows go bong and the monkeys all say boo.
I would not, could not, in a box. I could not, would not, with a fox. I will not eat them with a man.
Not many people know that broccoli grows in the armpits of very big green men who live in the forest.
I had a little nut tree, nothing would it bear. I searched in all its branches, but not a nut was there.
Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these.
A stranger came this morning dressed all in black and grey, put every sound into a bag and carried them away.
If you should meet a crocodile, don't take a stick and poke him. Ignore the welcome in his smile. Be careful not to stroke him.
Bumblebees don't know the rule. 'Cause bumblebees don't go to school, they flies.
Okay, well, hopefully you got some of those answers right. I did try hard to hide my voice, but I'm sure some of you worked that out. We hope it was a little bit of fun after what's been a really interesting few weeks in lots of different ways. But next week, we're really looking forward to everybody being back in school. Yes, we're still going to have to stay in bubbles, and we're still going to have to try and keep a distance from each other and have separate playtimes and lunch times and do things a little bit differently. But it'd be lovely to have everybody back in school and get you all back into the routine of school over the next few weeks. So well done for everything you've been doing over this lockdown period, and we will see you all on Monday.
Can't wait.
Okay then, bye-bye.
Bye.